Explosion. After hearing this word, the things that comes into our mind is atomic bomb explosion in mushroom cloud seen from far away. Some explosions are so stronger that they are still affecting through radiation poisoning, and over 20 million people had already died due to the blasted nuclear explosion. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the top 6 greatest artificial explosions ever happened in history. If you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and without delay, let's start the video. Number 6. N1 rocket explosion. At the height of space race between the United States and Soviet Union, both the countries were in a mad rush to be the first one to put a man on the moon. As a result of this race, they developed two giant rockets which are capable of taking a small crew to the moon, and they are Soviet N1 rocket and the American Saturn V. But unfortunately, a loose bolt was sucked into the oxygen intake of N1 rocket engine. The rocket lifted up from the ground for a few seconds and then exploded into a huge fireball. The explosion released the power of 1000 tons of TNT and the shockwave up to 6 km away. Also, the explosion was seen from 35 km away. Number 5. Texas City disaster. Texas City was a major shipping port. On the morning of April 16, 1947, the highly flammable ammonium nitrate was kept on board. It was docked at port and burst into flames. Firefighters rushed to that place, but they were unable to completely put out the blaze. An hour after later, the fire started. The entire ship exploded. About 2,700 tons of TNT was released in the explosion. The shockwave were so strong that the wings of two airplanes flying over it to the explosion ripped off and shattered the window in the major city of Galveston about 16 km away. Also, the fireball from the ship caused the oil refineries near the shore and other ships near the Grand Camp to explode as well. The explosion is 2.7 times stronger than the N1 rocket explosion. Number 4. Hiroshima bomb explosion. During World War II, when Germans surrendered to Allied force, Japan refused to surrender. In August of 1945, President Harry Truman of United States was desperate to end the war even if he had to go extreme and controversial method. So he ordered for an atomic bomb to be dropped on the southern Japanese city Hiroshima. On August 6, 1945, American soldiers and pilots took a flight towards Hiroshima and dropped the bomb named Little Boy. It exploded about 500 meters above the ground. Many witnesses were blinded by the flash of light. The city was annihilated with the mushroom cloud and resulting shockwave. About 75,000 people died instantly due to extreme heat liberation. Due to later cancer and radiation poisoning, almost 200,000 people died. The explosion released the power of 15,000 tons of TNT, and it is 5.5 times stronger than the Texas City disaster. Number 3. Project Trinity. Germany was a leader in creating advanced and high technology warfare. Fearing that Nazis could develop a devastating new weapon, the US government set out to beat the Germans at their own game. By recruiting some of the brilliant scientists in the world, the Manhattan Project was born, and out of that project came the first atomic bomb test called Trinity. Dr. Robert Oppenheimer led the Project Trinity, and this project came to its climax when a bomb named Gadget was dropped in the early morning of 16 July 1945 in the desert of New Mexico. The resulting explosion was so hot that the sand in the desert melted instantly and turned into a radioactive gas called trinight. Later on, the dropped bomb Gadget became the base model for the bomb Fat Man, which was dropped over Nagasaki after 3 months. It is estimated that the bomb blew up with a power of 22,000 tons of TNT and is 1.5 times greater than the Hiroshima bomb explosion. Number 2. Tunguska event. On June 30, 1900, local people in eastern Siberia started to see the bright light moving across the sky, and about 10 minutes later they were knocked off from their feet by a powerful shockwave. Since the area was so remote, no one has been there for 13 years. Scientists did not investigate that event until 1921. Later on, it is found that about 2,000 km of forest has been flattened. As no one was there to see that explosion, so scientists were not sure about actually what caused it. It is accepted that the explosion was caused by a small asteroid, even though no crater was left behind. Some scientists also claim that the blast was the result of testing rumored death ray by Nikola Tesla. It is believed to have caused an explosion of 15 million tons of TNT and is 681 times stronger than Trinity. Number 1. Tsar Bomba. In a terrifying display of power against their American enemies in Cold War, on October 13, 1961, The Soviet Union successfully tested a new hydrogen bomb nicknamed as Tsar Bomba. The bomb was so dangerous that it has to be attached to a parachute so the pilots dropping it could get time to escape the blast. Tsar Bomba exploded with a force of 50 million tons of TNT and shattered a window 800 km away, and mushroom cloud was seen up to 950 km away. It is about 3.3 times stronger than Tunguska event. This explosion is almost 3000 times stronger than Hiroshima bomb explosion. Tsar Bomba is the most powerful nuclear explosion ever detonated in the earth.